All right, guys, we're going to continue talking today with our lesson on the solar system. And I just want to remind you, like we went over yesterday, what are our inner planets? And they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And what are the characteristics of the inner planets? They are small, rocky globes with dense atmosphere. They have iron cores. They have very few moons, no rings, and they get multiple visits from spacecrafts. Now, the inner planets are separated by the asteroid belt, like we saw yesterday. And then we have the outer planets, and those would be Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then no longer considered dwarf planet Pluto. And the characteristics are they're very cold, they're very much full of gas, they do have rings, so you see ring systems around some of them, and multiple moons. Now let's do the vocabulary like we would do if we were in school. First question is objects made of rock, ice, dust, and gas that revolve around the sun. Do you know what those are? They're made of rock, ice, dust, and gas, and those would be comets. Number 2, objects made of rocks and metals that orbit the sun, and that would be asteroids. For 3, the large gaseous planets with multiple moons and ring systems, and that would be outer planets. Number 4, the small rocky planets having few moons, and that would be inner planets. And the other one is celestial bodies that orbit a planet, and those are called natural satellites. And we do have one in our Earth, and that's going to be your moon. Okay? So we know then that our solar system is made up of the sun, 9 planets, including Earth, their moons, asteroids, and comets. The sun is the largest object in our solar system, sits at the center, and is a medium-sized star. Its gravitational pull keeps the surrounding objects in orbit. That's why we don't fall out. And is the main source of heat and light for our Earth. A planet is a mass of rock or gas revolving star. Moons are satellites that revolve around a planet and reflect light from the sun. Asteroids are made of rock and metal and lie in the asteroid belt that divides terrestrial and jovial planets. And finally, we have comets. They're celestial bodies made of ice, dust, and small rocks that vaporize and form tails the closer they come to the sun. All right, that's it for today's section of the solar system.